Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Blush with Bloom. I'm Lekha. Today I'm going to share this beautiful brown smoky eye look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is my bare face and now I will start with my eyes first. Here I'm using my favorite concealer on my eyes and now I'm blending it evenly. And by the way, it is Swiss Beauty concealer. It blends very well and it is amazing concealer. After concealing my eyes, I am doing my eyebrows, and here I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow powder. And now my eyebrows are done. Okay, now let me start my smoky eye look. For this I am using Swiss Beauty gel liner, and by using this pencil brush I am smudging it little bit for that smoky effect. After liner I am using this dark brown shade from Nicka K9 eyeshadow palette. And now I am using this light brown shade from Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I am blending this light brown shade with darker one by using same brush. And here I am using this buffing brush to blend all these three shades properly. It should be done very carefully so that it will give that perfect smoky eye look. And yeah guys, blending is one of the most important step while doing smoky eyes. And now I am using the same gel liner to line my upper waterline. Okay, so after that I am applying 2 to 3 coat of mascara to make my lashes more beautiful. And here I am using Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, and you can clearly see that mascara will totally change the look. Now I am using this off-white shade to give my eyes a clean look, and it will also help you to define your eyebrows. So as you can see, I have done same with my other eye. And yeah guys, now it's time for base makeup. And here I am using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum on my face. And after this I am applying Good Vibes Aloe Vera Cream to keep my face hydrated. Okay, now this is the Eye Amsterdam primer, and I am applying it on my T-zone. And after primer, it's time to conceal all the dark spot and blemishes. So I am applying the same Swiss Beauty concealer under my eyes and on some dark spot. And now I am blending it evenly on all over my face. And now I am using leftover concealer on my neck. And yeah guys, never forget to match the color of your neck with your face, otherwise it looks so bad. And here I am not using any foundation and directly setting concealer with Lakme loose powder. Guys, I must tell you that smoky eyes looks so good with contoured face. So here I am using brown shade of the same Swiss Beauty eyeshadow as a contour. And here I am contouring my forehead and my chin area as well. Okay, now I am using this peachy shade of Nicka K9 eyeshadow palette as a blush, and this shade complements this eye look so well. That's why I am using this shade. Now I am highlighting my face using Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator, and my shade in this is Silver Pink, and this is the best illuminator. It blends very well and gives a natural glow. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette to highlight inner corner of my eyes. My eye makeup is dark, so I will go for nude lipstick, and this is from NYX Shakti and the shade is Amaze Ariel. Now let me give final touch to my eyes by applying this 2 shade on my lower lash line, and I am smudging it little bit by using this pencil brush. And to complete this look, I am applying same gel liner as a kajal on my waterline. And to set my makeup, I am using this Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray. And here we go, final brown smoky eye look is done. I like this look very much. What about you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. And all product links are in description box, you can check it there. So yeah guys, if you like this video then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family. I will see you in the next video.